She called you like some years ago about this matter. Did she call?
I didn't know if she called me. They didn't let me pick. It was after the whole thing, like 2 months later, they gave me my phone, and I saw the messages, and our messages were part of it. This is the only Bible that I'm holding. Let the only Bible judge me. It's so funny. Lizzy is not my friend. We are not friends. I don't know her. As in Saudi or no, I've never heard about it. How do I know her movement?
Because I spoke to Liz and she was like so sure that she was so certain that.
So sure. What is my own with Lizzy? I have seen Lizzy in my life just twice. The first time on Regina Chukwu's job, the second time was Basila Coded Premier. I don't know her movement. God is my witness.
You've only seen Liz twice.
Twice.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí live section lẹ́ẹ̀rin Ìyábọ̀ Òjó àti Tóyìn Abraham lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Lizzy Anjorin Lizzy Anjorin ni wọ́n sọ ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ èyí tó kù.
First time was like 14 or 15 ní iṣẹ́ Regina Chukwu. The second time was nígbà tí mo wà nínú oyún kò sẹ́ni tó mọ̀ iṣẹ́ Wasila Coded Premier. That was the 2 times I've seen her in my life. I don't know her movement. I am speaking up now. Let the whole world hear. I am speaking up now because I am speaking up because of my son. The last one they did, anymore. But now I have to speak up and stand up for my son. Yes, I'm not come and shake my from on me. No. If I do not stand up for my son, who will stand up for my son? I'll be among me. But today was too much. I need to stand up for my son.
She said some bloggers that they are mentioning your name, that you are the one that sends them.
There is no blogger that can mention my name. I have never spoken to any blogger. The only blogger I have spoken with is Instablog, and we did adverts on Instablog. I have never spoken to anyone to run who down. Auntie Yabo, you know what I am saying. God has blessed us. I am not beefing anybody. I don't have problem with anybody. God is my witness. I don't know where all this is coming from. I don't talk. I've never spoken. Me or sorry, but keep up Guabiamo. I can't not teach. I can't not that's your right. But continue to say this me or Timo. Come here, Lizzy. What did I do? Talk. It's more about